seatbelt fastened and remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Smoking, vaping and use of e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited on the tarmac and inside the terminal building. Before you head off, double check you have everything with you and be careful opening the overhead lockers as some items may have moved during the flight. Please take any face masks or wipes to the use and unused of the aircraft with you. If your phone is within reach, you can now switch it on. Just remember you're unable to use it on the tarmac. We'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for choosing Fly Jetstar today. It's been a pleasure having you on board and we hope you enjoy Jetstar in your future travels.